Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car. Welcome to another episode of Baked in My Car. Usually, I'll show you how to make something that's a little bit tricky, but today we're going back to basics. We're going to be driving tracks and baking snacks. We've just met up with our convoy and aired down the Zigzag Railway near Newnes State Forest. Now, I'm going to explain what we're doing. Today we're four-wheel driving, so we're going to be trying a bunch of different freezer-ready snacks in the Travel Buddy oven. First one we're going to try is these Margherita pizza bites. For frozen goods like this, you want to put them in a preheated oven with the tray inside so that when they go on the tray they sizzle like this. Once they're in, close up the oven and go about your day. It'd be wrong to do a video like this and not show a little bit of four-wheel driving. We saw this gully just off the main road and knew we had to give it a crack. It was pretty rutted out and there was definitely a lot of wheel lifting. We had so much fun doing this that we actually forgot we were cooking the mozzarella balls and left them in there for about an hour and 10 minutes. Round one, mozzarella balls. They melted. Still okay though. The cheese was a bit melty, but they were still crispy and they weren't burnt, so that's a success. Now let's share them around and see what people think. Mozzarella ball. Mozzarella pizza ball. Now let's try our next snack. Test number 2, spicy jalapeno nacho chicken. The trick to getting these crispy is to put them into a preheated tray and a thin layer across the bottom and run the oven as hard as it'll go. Go on in. Now let's get back to some four-wheel driving. After about an hour of that, it was time to check on the chicken. Now it's time to sample them. Now here's my twin brother Steve to test the crispiness. Our guest lunch chef Rich cooked these amazing tomahawk steaks. Now for dessert, we're cooking up Belgian chocolate mini puddings. As long as the oven's preheated, these will only take about 20 minutes. Don't make the same mistake as us and forget to bring ice cream. Now whack them in the oven. When they're done, they should look something like this. These turned out nice and gooey in the middle, but we're too busy eating them to take a video. These were definitely a success, and they were the perfect way to end our 3 bakes in one day. And there you have it. A day of four-wheel driving and 3 dishes all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram @BakedInMyCar. And there you have it. A day of four-wheel driving and 3 dishes all baked in your car. Fuck you guys.